Gotcha. Wait. Right around you. You can't run it off. Well, you have to wait. This is a driveway. I keep telling you, it's a driveway.
Wow. What's she, like 5?
No. Steady stream for like about maybe a minute.
Alright.
So much water.
Right here.
I'm playing hockey tonight, dude.
You gotta get the conversation.
I am.
That's unreal.
Friday night.
Can you open up one of those boxes in the back? You have a shovel?
Yes. Well, that happens a lot.